Hi guys, in this video we will see ask Google about this page option not showing on your Chrome address bar. How to enable or disable ask Google about this page from Chrome address bar. Here are the fixes or here are the solutions. Launch Google Chrome. Here in address bar of Chrome, look for this address Chrome flags type in address bar, choose result, and you can see experiments will appear. Here in search flag fields, search the experiment named Omnibox contextual. In search flag box, type the command, type the Omnibox contextual, and you will see two results will appear. Here go to Omnibox contextual search on focus suggestion. Two options available, but go to this option. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS enables Omnibox contextual and simply click on a small arrow and choose enable. If you choose default, it will be enabled. After that, relaunch Chrome. Now you can see your ask Google from this page option will now available. Simply go to any page. For example, we will type www.tipshowto.com. Select it. Select this address. And you can see ask Google about this page option will now available. So from experiment page flags in Chrome's, you can easily enable or disable this option from here. If you want to disable it, simply from the drop down menu choose disable or enable.